editor speak. Which aspects of medical records are of importance in cases of negligence?
When a patient is admitted in the ward, patient is transferred from one department to another, or a patient is transferred from one hospital to another, there has to be a continuity in the chain of medical records. Any lack of continuity is always going to be looked at suspiciously and scrutinized more by the courts.
Sir, so what is the medico-legal significance if there is lack of continuity in medical records?
When a patient is admitted and there is a lack of continuity in the chain of medical records, the court may question the sanctity of the medical record and the treatment rendered by the doctor. In a recent judgment from the National Consumer Commission, a young girl diagnosed with dengue was admitted in the hospital in the evening. Investigation revealed low platelet count. The patient was transferred to the ICU the next day morning. The patient's condition worsened. The patient was transferred to another hospital where the patient died a few hours later. The cause of death diagnosed was dengue shock syndrome. The relatives of the patient filed a case of negligence against the doctor and the previous hospital. They allege that the treatment of dengue was hydration and symptomatic treatment. They said the patient was not started on IV fluids when the patient was admitted, and they said this was the cause of death of the patient. The court on perusal of medical records rejected this allegation outright. They observed that the medical records on admission revealed that the patient was started on IV fluids immediately. The nurse's notes revealed the same. Furthermore, when the patient was transferred to the ICU notes revealed that the patient was brought to the ICU with IV fluids. Moreover, when the patient was transferred to the other hospital, the medical records of the other hospital revealed that the patient was transferred to the other hospital with IV fluid. Based on this continuity in medical records, the court rejected this allegation outright and did not hold the hospital or the doctor negligent.
Sir, so then what conclusion can a doctor draw from the aforesaid case?
Doctors have to write medical records with a lot of contemplation. The chain or the continuity in the medical record has to be maintained. If the continuity in the medical record is not maintained, the court may draw adverse inference and may look at the medical records with a lot of suspicion.
Thank you, Dr. Shetty, for your valuable inputs.
Thank you.